Specification writing is an important part of the building process and can take a lot of time. However, with ARCAT's patented SpecWizard, you can save time and money writing our specifications. The intuitive interface of SpecWizard allows you to select and configure our products fast and accurately. Then automatically generate a completed CSI 3-part formatted specification in just minutes. Let's take a look and show you how simple specifying our products can be with SpecWizard. When you first launch SpecWizard, product categories are collapsed. You can expand or collapse these by simply clicking on the plus and/or minus buttons. First, select a specific product. Notice how SpecWizard automatically selected the appropriate categories necessary for the specification. You can click on any More Info button for additional information on the product. Next, click Generate Spec of the document type for your specification. The software then assembles all the required text and generates an accurate CSI 3-part formatted specification. Our SpecWizard will save you time and money. As with all of ARCAT's products, our SpecWizard is free to use and you don't have to register to use it. So try our SpecWizard yourself at arcat.com.